Bihis na tayo kay today mag-travel kami ni Saki papuntang Germany sa Düsseldorf. Ready na kami. Nilagay ko yung mga charger natin. Para mag-vlog tayo doon. Pakita ko sa inyo. Yung Düsseldorf. Dalhin ko ba ito? Kay Agata man to, no? Dinala ko. Hindi niya alam yung dinala ko. Kinuha ko lang doon. Dalhin ko na dito. Yung charger natin, kompleto na ba? Ready na tayo. Sa akin ako, busy pa. Yan na yung bus. Papuntang station. Yan na yung train. Hindi pa ito yung train. Sakyan namin papuntang Germany. No? Mag-transfer pa kami ng siguro 2 beses. Sina? Oh, ne, further.
First class.
Just us. Because we're very early.
We're the first ones, and luckily the train was already here.
Yeah. And
So we boarded.
yeah, and I'm already
It's still, I
walking.
think, 30 minutes before it departs. At least we got a seat.
There's a lot of empty seats.
Right now. But people are traveling today because everyone is off.
Nandito na kami sa Utrecht station. From Utrecht, sasakay kami from Utrecht to Düsseldorf. Sa akin, sa Utrecht, nag-order ako ng Burger King dyan. Na kami sa aming train. Dito pa kami sa Utrecht, no? Yung bag natin. Yung train nasa baba. Dito na kami sa Germany, sa Düsseldorf. Nandito pa kami sa station. Sakay pa kami ng bus. Sa station nila dito. Tingin na siya pan, gutom guro namin pan, oh. Yung carnivores dito kung sa station.
Have you seen the bread?
No, we share.
Oh.
It's quite fun. Ito yung famous sa Germany, yung apple nila lalaki. Lakad ang lakad, walang katapos ang lakad. Papunta kami sa hotel.
Found it.
Yeah. Gahing gisidok. Hanap namin yung Hilton. Daming mirror. There's a lot of mirror. Mirror.
Floor,
And the
Riverview.
wall. Yeah, we choose that one.
Well, you asked for it
Yeah,
online.
I asked it online.
I would have been too shy to ask for that, but you did.
Why? We pay for it, so. Ito yung paano pa hotel nila sa Hilton Düsseldorf. Tara na.
What is it? 421?
Tour. So ito yung pa-room nila sa Hilton Düsseldorf. Oh, may mga paano pa sila dito. Pa-coffee. Yung room nila. Ano pa yung room nila? It's like not very modern, no?
No, it's not very modern. You're right.
Yeah, it's not very modern, but the bed is very spacious. Yeah. And we got 4 pillow, which is good.
Yeah, That's very good.
So, ito yung pa-hotel sa Dusseldorf Hilton.
And at least we have 2 chairs.
And they have here very spacious where you can work. This is and then the toilet and they have a bath. Morning everyone. Yung ating vlog continue to kahapon. Maganda yung weather dito. Yung weather dito same lang sa Netherlands. Pareho lang. So magtao tayo ng ating abubo. Long dress tapos nakasanda lang. Isa akin din naka-green. Tara na.
Also in green.
Yeah, tara dong.
Green and blue.
It's okay. Yung pa-elevator nila daming mirror. Pareha kaming sick. Green. Because we're couple.
Yeah.
Murag baking green.
Matching colors.
Yeah. But ayaw niya mag-short. You don't like to wear short. Ito yung hotel nila dito. Look, very cozy there. Ang pa-breakfast area doon. Malayo-layo. Yeah, it's quite large. How there the umbay. Ito yung pa-breakfast nila. Ay, na pumpkin. We're gonna get some food. Madami din silang pagpilian eh. Daming klase. Dito itlog and bacon. Beans. English breakfast. Potato. Heavy. Ito pancake. Gusto ko. May salmon din sila. Paborito ni Saki. Pumpkin, you like this too? The smoked salmon.
Oh, salmon. Yeah. Oh, nice.
And ham. Grill. Gusto ko yan ay Turkish.
Oh, that's nice. You like the mozzarella, right?
Yeah. And they've got the grilled veggie here, Kai. The one that I always make.
Oh.
Kain yung akin ay croissant. Tapos may ham. Hindi ko alam kung anong nangyari dyan. Tapos kay Saki. Yan kay Saki.
Potato wedges.
Kaon pumpkin. Ito yan ang pa-hotel. Tapos, maglalakad na kami papunta sa tram. Papunta kami ngayon ng city center. Na, shopping start here. What do you think? Dito kami sa parang nila, mall inside that station. Tingin-tingin. Tingin lang. Look, ang nice. Anong mga sapatos. Oh. Pumpkin, I really love these shoes. Yeah, very colorful orange. And it's very light. Okay. Tingin-tingin tayo bila. May mga brand pala ito kaya mahal. Gusto kong sandal, flat sandal magbili. Cute nito orange. Gusto kong magbili ng flat na this one like cute. Itong kulay din ito. Tingnan nyo. Ang gaganda ng mga sapatos nila. Kaya lang, ang mamahal. Pero I really like it. It's very nice. But 110 euro. Ang gaganda ng mga sandal nila. Pangkasal ba? Very comfy.
Quite classy.
Yeah, nice. For one mana, it's for wedding ba? You wear it for you in the wedding or in a special occasion. Daming dito magaganda. Ito na yung pa city center nila, malaki man no. So magkot-ikot tayo dito, tingin-tingin. Tingin kayo dyan. Ganda na yung pa-building na yan. Saki ay basa na naman. Tapos ang ganda ng weather, mainit. So dito kami naglalakad yung mga all expensive brand district. Maybe you want to go inside? You want to buy something there? Oh my god, we can't afford it. Louis Vuitton. Ang ganda oh. Bulgari's Diyos ko. Mamahalin man dito eh. Doon ako sa mumurahin maglakad. yung street ito. O, diba? Yung mamahalin talaga. I think sa kabila doon yung mumurahin. Ay, pareho lang pala. Ganda dito mag-walking, oh. Pero may mga kahoy, prabuyag lang. Tapos dyan, oh. Tapos yung river start here. Nice here, no? I remember we walked here before. I also have photo. Yung pumunta kami dito, may picture ako dito nakatayo. Dito kami naglakad. Kay doon na street, sobrang mahal. Hindi man tayo makapasok doon. So dito tayo. Nice here. With the tree. No? Very relaxing.
Best part of the city.
Yeah, laki niya, no? Pasok kami dito sa Zara. Tingnan natin kung mura ba yung Zara nila. Dito kay Zara. Madaling gwapo. Huh, very yellow, oh. Pumpkin, very yellow. You like this color?
I love it.
I love it. The price. Oh my god, you don't love the price. 70 euro. So you don't love it. You hate it. Ang ganda nito, terno. Oh, diba? Yung display nila dito kay ano, wala doon sa Netherlands sa Groningen. Wala doon na pinupuntahan ko. Kami naglakad, oh. Maganda yung mga pa-building nila din dito. Pero mostly ano na mga modern na ba. Ang ganda, oh. Bakery, tingnan natin yung pa-bakery nila kay grabe puno ng bread. Ngayon lang ako nakita ng bakery na grabe kapuno sa mga bread.
The olive bread over there, the one that we like.
Yeah. I haven't seen a bakery like it's full of bread. Oh. Okay.
Oh yeah.
So good. Grabe daming bread. Dito kami para lang street food. Oh, they got sushi here. Sushi. Ang bango, ang nice lang tagtaro, no? Hamis pa sa akong naong, puro buyag. Dito ipukpok sa akong sake ay. Kung di magtino ba, wala ka mahal sa ilang luwag. May mga sausage, oh. Nice, sir, pumpkin, no? May mga isda din, pika-pika. And her cheese, it's like a market na. Parang market nila ba? Wow, kalami sa seafood. Dito din pwede kang magbili. Uy, kaya sarap niya. Oh. Market where you can eat. Ika-hair kaikin. May mga flower. Oh, ayaw ko flower pagkain. Tingin tayo ng pagkain. Laki nila. Oh, pork knuckle. Ang laki. Ako sana mag-try dyan. Oh, kaya lang wala man na pa din kami makakainan. Gulong-gulong kami kung saan kami magkain. Oh. Ang ganda. Tingnan na yung mga prutas. Yung strawberry. Strawberry, oh. Looks so yummy. Kami nagkain ay. Parang ano siya, Thai street food. Kaya naghanap yung chan ko ng rice. Kain, ito yung order ko.
Thai street food.
Yeah, red curry with shrimp kaisake chicken. Kain. I like it because they put a lot of veggies. Kain, yung mga tao.
Right?
Yeah, dito. Tapos na kaming kumain doon. Nagpundok sila dyan. Yung may ano dyan. Anong nangyari dyan? Shopping street nila. Yan yung magandang building, old building. Wala man masyadong old building dito. Yung napuntahan ko talaga na very ako na impress sa buildings nila is yung doon sa Prague. Ganda talaga doon sa Prague. May Camp Prague. Lakad naman kami dito sa mga shopping street. Pasok tayo dito, Tamaris. Okay, very good yung mga sapatos nila dito. Pilahan yung Prince Price. Kahit saan ka ba ang Prince Price pilahan? Kaya aga naman nag-inuman nila eh. Tapos dyan. Church yata yun. My God. Ang ganda ng pa-building dito. Tapos doon, ano na yung River Rhine. You like it here?
Yeah, Düsseldorf we visited. We've been here, well, what was it? 10 years ago?
10 or 11 years ago.
So I still recognize this area.
Yeah, Echo.
But actually, the inner city
Yeah,
that we just came from, I didn't really recognize it.
yeah.
Of zou ik een Spaanse aan doen? Dat je hem zo...
Hindi mo layat dyan. Buang. Layat naman noon. Kaya lang, init eh. Sakit sa balat. Yung mga tao gusto magpainit oh. Oh, you want to be also, you want to bury in it? You can sit there the whole day.
Yeah,
You will be brown.
it would be nice to walk down the promenade, right?
Yeah. You can. Ganda ng boat oh. Tingnan nyo dyan oh, grabe, ang daming tao. Kahit mainit. I think the boat, siguro ang boat mag-dock here.
Yeah,
na.
here or around there.
Mag-dock yung boat dito eh. Grabe kadaming tao. Ay, hindi naman marami na, sakto lang. Magpainit. Tingin lang kayo dyan. Magandang tanawin. May parang air balloon. You think some people there?
I think so, yeah.
I think I will be scared to ride that one. Dito na naman kami sa maliit na street na naglakad. Bili kami ng bubble tea dito. Ay sobrang init, uhaw na uhaw. Ice cream sana ako, kaya lang. Ito na lang. Madaling ang milk tea. How was it?
I like the taro.
You like the tapioca?
Yeah.
Yeah. And they also have a taro puree. Have you tasted? But I still like the milk tea in the Philippines, the little tea. It's very yum yum. So, naglalakad pa din kami. Ano na? Siguro mga 5 oras na kaming naglalakad-lakad, kain-kain. So, end na namin yung aming vlog. Uwi na kami sa hotel. Thank you so much for watching. See you again on our next video. Bye!
Bye.
Lakad, daming tao. Ganda kasing weather.